Once your room is prepped, it's time to start painting. In this video, we'll be showing you how to paint interior walls. First, gather your supplies. You can find links to the materials in the description. 1 gallon of paint covers roughly 350 to 400 square feet. To estimate how many gallons you need, multiply the height and width for each wall, add the walls to find the total area, then divide by 400. Keep in mind if your paint requires more than 1 coat. Next, prepare the area. Open windows or use a fan for good ventilation. If the surface has not been painted before, apply a primer to the wall or use 2 coats of a paint and primer in one product. Stir your paint well to ensure a uniform color. Then, cut in along edges or trim. Hold the brush along its short side and pull slow and steady to create an even line. Work in small areas to avoid the paint drying or creating lap marks. After that, cover large areas with a roller. Condition the roller cover by dipping its full surface into the paint. Roll it several times in the tray to ensure the roller is saturated prior to painting. Work in 3 by 3 foot sections from top to bottom, blending the edges of cut-in areas. Start by rolling in an N shape, then fill it with horizontal strokes, and finally smooth with vertical strokes. Reload your roller before starting the next section. Finally, clean up your supplies. Fold your drop cloths inward to avoid spilling paint. To clean brushes and rollers, use a painter's comb or tool designed to assist in removing paint. Rinse until clean and the water runs clear, then let air dry. Keep your brushes new by putting them back in the cardboard keeper. Thank you for watching and enjoy your room's brand new look.